Welcome. Today, we're diving into how you can easily find all your planned tasks in Outlook on your PC, following the latest update. Managing tasks has never been simpler, and with just a few steps, you'll have everything organized and ready to go. To get started, open Outlook from your browser. If you're using the updated version, you'll notice a streamlined interface that makes navigation intuitive. Once Outlook is open, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see the My Day icon, a small calendar or tick symbol that serves as your gateway to task management. Click on it to open the My Day pane. Next, you'll need to access the To-Do section. In the My Day pane, there are tabs for both Calendar and To-Do. Select To-Do, which will display all your tasks in one place. This is where the magic happens. Instead of staying in the default Tasks view, switch over to Planned. You'll find this option within the smart lists available in To-Do. The Planned view is particularly helpful because it organizes tasks based on their due dates, showing what's scheduled for today, tomorrow, and beyond. This way, you can focus on what's coming up without being overwhelmed by everything else in your task list. And that's it. With these simple steps, opening Outlook, clicking on My Day, navigating to To-Do, and selecting Planned, you'll have a clear overview of all your upcoming tasks. Whether you're planning your workday or tracking personal goals, this feature keeps everything accessible and easy to manage. Thank you for tuning in. Now, go ahead and try it out yourself. Your productivity awaits.